Dear all, very good morning. This is Dr. Augustine, Department of Chemistry and IQAC Coordinator. Just wanted to share an information with regard to the collection of data during this lockdown period. I believe that all of you would have seen my earlier post in the WhatsApp group. Now, how to upload your certificates in your Google Drive and provide a link in the Google Sheet, and that is what I wanted to tell you right now. Now, in order to do that, first open your Google Drive, create a folder called Lockdown Certificates or some certificates, and after creating a folder, you can upload your certificate. So you might have received your certificate through mail. First download that certificate and put it in your desktop, and then you can upload that certificate into your Google Drive. So I'm going to my certificate folder in my desktop and I'm selecting my certificate, and now I'm uploading my certificate in my Google Drive. So each one will be having a Google Drive if you have a Gmail. So you can upload your certificate in your Google Drive. Now I have my certificate in my Google Drive. So this is my certificate which I received. Now how to create a link for that certificate in my Google Sheet or Microsoft Excel. So you can prepare the data in an Excel sheet, or you can even use Google Sheet. So the Google Sheet has more additional features. What you're right now looking is Google Sheet. So you can create a Google Sheet, and please go to your certificate in the Google folder, click that certificate, and if you want to copy down anything from the certificate, you can copy down and you can paste it in your Google Sheet. Many certificates are enabled so that you can copy it. And if you're unable to copy, you can type down the data. So you can take your Google Sheet, you can enter the corresponding data. So I am entering it as participated in a webinar on MSNPs for cancer therapy. And you can also mention the name of the college and also the date on which it took place. And now select this column. Now we are going to create a link for this certificate. So just go to your certificate, right click your certificate, and on the top you get a link called Get Shareable Link. You click that. There will be an icon called Link Sharing Off. You make that link sharing off into on. So you have to switch on the link sharing. So now it has become, you have to check whether it has gone green. So that green button indicates that your link sharing is on and anybody can view your certificate. Now I have copied that link. Now I'm going to paste that link in this row. Now my link is pasted. So first we have to go to File Upload, click the File Upload, upload the certificate, click right, Get Shareable Link, make the link sharing on. Your link will be automatically copied in the clipboard. Just go to the row, right click and copy it. Now if I click that link now, so just copy it. And if you click the link, that link will take you directly to the certificate. So you can send this form, you can send this Google Sheet or Microsoft Excel form to anyone along with the proof. So you will have your certificate there. And the concerned person can even download the certificate. You can take a printout. So this will be a wonderful process wherein which you have all your data along with the proof. I hope this will help you in creating the documents. Thank you very much.